Magic Plumbing. Where plumbing problems disappear. Your plumbing should work like magic. Stubborn clogs? Gone in minutes. Advanced drain cleaning for smooth flows. Hot water, on demand. Installation, repair and maintenance. Disaster? We respond fast, because emergencies can't wait. Keeping businesses flowing. Durable plumbing for high-demand spaces. Homes deserve hassle-free plumbing. Precision repairs and installations. Pipes that last, not leak. Precision repairs, no weak links. Magic Plumbing, where every fix is done right.